Hello, mamas. Now, if you're pregnant and you constantly feel nauseous, especially that first trimester of pregnancy, I just want you to know that you are not alone. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing simple tips that can help reduce that nausea. Nausea during pregnancy is completely normal. This is because of the pregnancy hormone progesterone, and this disorganizes the digestive system that causes that nausea. So I'm going to be sharing simple things that can help ease nausea. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Uche Chichezindo, a clinical physiologist. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and hit the like button because I share educational content that will benefit you. Now, back to the subject matter. This nausea of 18 is often called morning sickness, but the truth is that it's not actually morning sickness. So I wonder who brought out the name morning sickness, because nausea can appear at any time of the day, whether morning, afternoon, evening, any time of the day. Now, there are certain kind of things that can trigger nausea during pregnancy, particularly smell. Some certain kind of food during pregnancy can worsen that nausea. Now, number one tip is avoid food or smells that trigger nausea. Yes, you heard me. Now, during pregnancy, you notice that your sense of smell is very heightened. Some certain kind of food that you might enjoy before might start becoming a problem to you. Like when you perceive some certain kind of meat or fish or perfume, it's as if you want to throw up. So in such kind of situation, and when you notice that a particular scent of food, maybe a particular scent of perfume do trigger your nausea, avoid it completely, because it doesn't make sense you forcing yourself to eat a particular food that you know that causes or maybe triggers your nausea and you end up vomiting it. So it's best you avoid it, or maybe you cut down on it. And number two tip is eat small and frequent meals. Yes, during pregnancy, particularly that first trimester of pregnancy, and you that normally have this nausea of 18, know that you always feel nauseous. Why do you always allow yourself to get hungry? Because hunger can trigger this nausea also. So you don't have to wait till you're hungry. Make sure that you eat frequently. It helps to reduce that feeling of nausea. So my pregnant mamas, come closer. If you consistently feel nauseous, try this tip. Early morning around 7 a.m., make sure you take something. Don't wait till 9, 10 p.m. before eating. It will trigger your nausea. Eat early. Then make sure you portion your meal smaller and eat it frequently. Instead of eating 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, night, you can just portion it 6 times in a day. Or maybe you can interchange and be taking food. Just make sure that you eat consistently. If you try this tip, you see that nausea will reduce. And number three tips is try ginger tea. Yes, it works. Now you can get a little, don't take too much amount, just small amount of ginger. Either you boil it or you put it in your water bottle, and just a mild, so that anytime you take it, it will help to reduce that nausea. It's very, very effective. And make sure that you don't take too much of it. Just a small quantity is okay. Mix it in your water and you're good to go. And lastly, my mamas, take enough water and get enough rest. I know during pregnancy that nausea don't want to, like when you drink water, it's as if you want to throw up again. But don't be tempted, because your body needs water. So you don't have to stay dehydrated. You need to stay hydrated. So take enough water and make sure that you are getting enough sleep. You are getting enough rest during this period. Why the feeling of nausea is normal during pregnancy. Now, you should take note of this. If maybe you can't take anything down, like your body can, if you eat, you throw up, you can't drink water, you are consistently dehydrated, no, it's an emergency. You need to seek for medical help. If you notice that you're consistently vomiting repeatedly and you are losing weight, don't keep calm. Don't take it as a normal sign of pregnancy. It's not actually normal, because the baby in your womb actually needs nutrients to to grow, to function properly. So if you find yourself in a situation where you can't eat anything, nothing can go down. So if you find yourself in such kind of condition, don't keep calm, because these signs could be pointing to something more serious than just nausea. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't just scroll. Make sure to share it to that pregnant neighbor, to that pregnant friend you have. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.